Hi chickies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, trying on, and giving you guys like a little mini review on the items. The December Boxycharm, which is a $21 a month monthly beauty subscription. Inside you are guaranteed 5 full-size items. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you would be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Just to be upfront with you, I had my mic volume turned all the way up, so I pretty much can't use any of the footage, or not footage, any of the audio from the next couple of clips you guys will see. I didn't want to have to refilm it because I really love the way how this look turned out. So this month's box is called 'Tis the Season. Sea and then sun. So the first item we have here is from the brand Tarte. It's the glitter lip paint. It's a reflective glitter gloss that can stand alone or as a lip topper. This retails for $20. Next we have from the brand Cosmetics, and this is a detox activated charcoal mask. Visibly improve the brightness of your skin while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. This retails for $30. Bodyography lip liner. It's vegan, cruelty free, and it's also infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. It retails for $12. Wander Beauty Dust to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. This is a Boxycharm exclusive. It contains 3 buttery shades that blend seamlessly onto the skin for a natural glowing finish. This retails for $26. And then lastly, we have the Suvia Beauty Protege Palettes, versatile warm and cool tone palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. And this retails for $34. So we definitely have great value of goodies in this month's box.
Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same, and I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. Messing with my head when you keep me on the edge, keep me on the edge. Keep me on the edge. Keep me on the edge. Go ahead, let me go again. Turn it off, come and turn me on. Haven't we been here before, in the dark before the dawn? Pull me close, then you pull away, then we're back to making amends. All the wicked games you play, baby, I can't stay. Can we go back to that perfect day?
So this is the final look using the items from my December Boxycharm. I honestly thought I was gonna have to scratch this video. Even forgot to apply under eye concealer. It was just one of those filming days. So let's kind of just do a really quick recap on the items I used in this month's box. Didn't use the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. I'm gonna have to test out and we'll update you guys in a future Sunday Faves and Nays. Lip pencil from the brand Bodyography. It's in the shade Heatherberry, which is a beautiful mauvey pink with a rosy hue to it. Absolutely love this color. The combination with the Tarte's lip paint in the shade Insta Glamorous, Insta Famous goes perfectly with the lip liner. It has gold glitter champagne. It also has like an iridescence of like purple and blue to it, which I think looks really cool, but for some reason when I first saw it, I was thinking that you could feel the little glitters in here, but actually no, you don't feel it at all. It is a tad bit sticky, but that's what's expected, I guess, especially if you use a lip gloss. Let's move on to Wander Beauty. This is called the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. The two blushes, this beautiful, it's almost like a peachy, like a light kind of blush peachy Havana Nights, which is more of like a rosy pink. These both have a satin finish, and then you have the beautiful highlight called City Lights, which I am also wearing, and it's definitely one of those beaming highlights. It's also a highlight that you can build up the intensity as well as the blushes. I'm going to be giving this palette a ton of love. And then lastly, we have from the brand Suva Beauty. This is called the Protege Eyeshadow Palette. I like the shadows in here. I love purples. I love these kind of warm tone coppery colors. A little drawback I would say would have to be for this shadow called Structure, which is absolutely gorgeous. I have this one spaced right here on my lid. That's the one that has the little tiny micro shimmers. I could actually see the shimmers kind of flying around everywhere when I was packing it onto the lid. So that's the only thing. Just know that you will have fallout with this shimmer shadow. But other than that, I think it's a great palette, pigmented. And also another thing I wanted to mention is that this purple shade called Aesthetic, this really blew me out of the water. Once you actually apply it with a brush and like blend it out, I was so shocked that it glided on so smoothly. It blended beautifully, no patchiness. It was like smooth like butter. All in all, you guys, I'm very pleased with the items in this month's box. Let me know down below, what did you guys receive in your December Boxycharm? Did we receive the same items or did we get completely different things? I would love to know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.